Hi, my name is Michelle Stolzenberg. I'm a Fort Hays State University elementary education student. Today I'm doing a presentation on a tutorial of how to do a book report using PowerPoint. The first step we're going to do is we're going to open our PowerPoint, and we are going to use a template to find, we're going to do a search for a book, and we'll come up with different templates to be great templates to use to do a book report. We're going to create. And then when we open it up, we are going to work on the title page where we're going to insert a picture of the book from the book report we're doing. So if you click on the little graphic icon, it'll pop up with all your files. And you find where your file is, and mine is in here. And we read the book, Rock, Paper, Scissors. So we are going to, we have our picture here now. We're going to add our title of our book. So it is The Legend of Rock, Paper, Scissors. And the author's name is Drew Daywalt. And we'll put I'll put my name here. The student will put their name in this area. Okay. And we might have to move it around a little bit so it just fits in our little box here just a little bit better. So you put your little right about there, and we can move some of this around just so it all fits in nice. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to go to the next slide. The next slide is just renaming our book report, so we can actually go back and let's copy and paste it over. So we'll just copy it. I held down the shift button so we could copy all this over, so I'm going to hit copy. Go back to that second slide. I'm just going to delete all this because we'll be able to just copy it all in. Delete. Just want to delete all this. Don't know if it'll let me delete that. And then we're going to hit paste. And then we'll just move it all over. You can easily just type this in rather than copying and pasting. I just wanted to give you another option. Again, we might want to reposition things just by clicking on it, putting your cursor over the line, and then just moving it down slightly. Always move it over a little bit. Just doesn't want to fit in there just right. That's okay. We'll make it work. All right, the next slide, that one looks done. The next slide is going to give us a divider slide with title option. So we can put some details in here. Let me see what I'm going to do. One more thing I want to show you on the presentation is you can change the layout of the slides. Do a right mouse click over the slide and click layout, and you can change it to all these different things. Like if I wanted to talk about specific characters, I could find one where you're comparing one character versus another character. Okay, so we want to show a slide showing two of our characters, but I don't have a picture of the scissors. So what we can do is we can look at online pictures to find a pair of scissors to add in there. And all I did is I did a search for scissors, and we just scroll through and find one we like the best. We're probably not going to find one that has eyeballs on it, but let's just find one that looks sharp. And I like the way that scissors looks. We're going to call this battles. But you can name your slides whatever you want, just as long as your teacher is going to understand that this is about your book. And you just resize everything. After getting any graphics and pictures the way you like it, the last thing you need to do when you're doing a book report is always give a summary. The best things you like about a book, maybe the name of an illustrator, and then always thank your teacher. My name is Michelle Stolzenberg. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to do a book report using PowerPoint.